Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Xano API keys and environments for no-code apps step by step clearly. To restore Xano API keys and environments for no-code apps, start by logging into your Xano account. Navigate to the dashboard where your applications are listed. Select the project you need to work on. Once in your project, locate the API tab on the left sidebar. Click on the API tab to view your existing API keys. Find the section labeled API Keys. If you need to restore a specific key, check its expiration status. If an API key is expired, click on the option to regenerate the key. Confirm the action to generate a new API key. Copy the new API key to your clipboard for future use. Next, head to the Environments section within the dashboard. Click on Environments to view all existing configurations. Select the environment you wish to restore. Review the settings within the environment to identify any required changes. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure compatibility with your restored API key. After updating the environment, save your changes. Once saved, navigate back to the main dashboard. Test the restored API key and environment to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If issues arise, revisit the settings to troubleshoot. Finally, document any changes made to maintain a clear record for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.